How many terms of the GP 1, 4, 16 must be taken to have their sum equal to 341? That is the sum. Here the first term A is equal to 1, common difference 4 by 1, sorry, common ratio will be the 4 by 1 is equal to 4. So use the summation formula, that is a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, that is given over there 341. Okay, total sum. Now put the values of the a and r and take out the values of the n. 4 to the power n is equal to 1024. So that will be the 4 to the power 5. So 4 to the power n is equal to 4 to the power 5. So n will be is equal to 5. Come to the next question. How many terms, that is 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 dot 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 dot, will make the sum 55 by 72. So this is a series. Term sum will be the 55 divided by 72. The first term a 2 by 9 as it is given over there in the question. R, the calculation of R, the common ratio, second term divided by the first term, that will be coming minus 3 by 2. Now use this Sn, that is a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 is equal to 55 divided by 72. Okay. After that, just put the values of the a and r and a little bit calculation. You will get the value n is equal to 5. Come to the next question. The second and fifth term of the geometric series, that is progression, are minus 1 by 2 and the sum 1 by 16 respectively. Find the sum of the series up to the 8th term, that is second term and fifth term is in the series are minus 1 by half and 1 by 16. So see, the second term minus 1 by 2, fifth term 1 by 16. So this is the term formula A2, that is the AR n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. So A2 is equal to AR is equal to minus 1 by 2. Make it equation number 1. Or A5 is equal to AR n minus 1, that is AR to the power 4. So A5 is equal to AR4 is equal to 1 by 16. Now dividing equation 2 by equation 1, you will get this. After that a little bit calculation, you will get the value of the a, that is a is equal to 1 and r is equal to minus 1 by 2. You can take a screenshot of also this calculation. Okay, now put the a sign, that is the a set up to the 8th term. So a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now put the values of the a and r. Okay, here the values of the r is the minus 1 by 2, that is less than 1. So the formula will be reversed, 1 minus. If the value of the r is greater than 1, I will write the r to the power n minus 1. And if the value of r is less than 1, then I will reverse the formula, that is 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. That is the only one difference. After that a little bit calculation, you will get the value, that is 85 by 128. Come to the next problem. The first term of the GP is 27 and 8th term is 1 by 81. Find the sum of its first 10 terms. A, that is the first term, is given over there 27. 8th term A8 is equal to 1 by 81. So AN, that is AR n minus 1, that is A8 is equal to 1 by 81. After that a little bit calculation, that is coming 27 r to the power 7 is equal to 1 by 81. R to the power 7 is equal to 1 divided by 81 into 27. That comes to ultimately r is equal to 1 by 3. Now write S10, that is summation of up to the 10th place, that is the 10th term, A into 1 minus r to the power n. So when r is less than 1, we will use this formula. After that, put the values of the just a and r. A little bit calculation or simplification, you will get the values. That is summation of the 10 terms is 10 is equal to 81 by 2 into 1 minus 1 divided by 3 to the power 10. Find the first term of the GP whose common ratio is 3, last term is 486, and the sum of whose terms is 728. So here what is the information is given over there? That is R is equal to 3, last term 486, and sum of the terms is 728. So use this summation formula. Sn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. After that, write the a into 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 3 to the power divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 728. A little bit calculation, you will get this equation and make it equation number 1. After that, last term AR n minus 1, that is the put the values 486 is given over there, a into 3 to the power n minus 1. After that, a little bit simplification and make this equation number 2. So consider in equation 1, a into 3 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1456. Okay. So after that, substitute the values in equation 1, you will get a is equal to 2. So first term is 2. Okay, come to the next problem. In a GP whose first term is 7, last term is 448, and sum is 889, find the common ratio. Here the first term is given over there 7, last term 448. So as per the term formula, a r n minus 1, so 7 r n minus 1 is equal to 448. So r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 64. Now use the sum formula, that is a into r to the power r n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 is equal to 889. After that, a little bit calculation, you will get this is equation number 2. Now consider the equation number 1, that is r to the power n divided by r is equal to 64. So you are getting r to the power n is equal to 64r. Okay, now substitute the values of r to the power n in equation 2. You will get the this equation. After that, a little bit simplification, you will get r is equal to 2. Okay, that therefore the common ratio will be 2. Come to the next problem. Find the third term of a GP whose common ratio is 3 and the sum of whose the first 7 term is 2186. So R is given over there 3. S7 is equal to 2186. Use the summation formula and put the values, required values. After that, cross multiplication, you will get the first term, that is the a is equal to 2. So a3, that is ar 3 minus 1, that is ar square. So put the values of a and r, you will get the values. A3 is equal to 18. Come to the next problem, that is if the first term of a GP is 5 and the sum of the first three terms is 31 by 5, find the common ratio. So a is equal to 5 as it is given over there. So S31 is equal to 31 by 5. Use the summation formula. After that, putting the required values, a little bit simplification. After that, cross multiplication. After that, the middle term, you will get the values of r. You can take the screenshot also this of this particular page. I am not going to detailed calculation as it is very clear and very easy. So you will get the values of R either 1 by 5 or minus 6 by 5.